Ever felt like you've been running all day but haven't moved an inch? You're not alone. It seems like endless effort without real impact. But what if I told you that a few small tweaks to your daily routine could boost your productivity? These tweaks can also enhance your energy, focus, and overall joy. Today, I'll walk you through 12 dynamic habits that are sure to revitalize your life. These aren't your typical, run-of-the-mill suggestions. These are effective, actionable strategies. So, grab a pen and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the Pomodoro technique. Ever found yourself overwhelmed by a gigantic task? Here's a simple trick. Work intensely for 25 minutes, then break for 5. After 4 of these cycles, take a longer pause. This method keeps your brain engaged by offering manageable chunks of work time and refreshing breaks, enhancing focus and preventing burnout. Give it a go, the results will surprise you. Next, let's declutter. Your workspace mirrors your mind. Spend 10 minutes at the end of each day tidying up. Organize your tools, dispose of unnecessary items, and arrange your space. This small ritual fosters a setting that sparks creativity and concentration. Entering a neat space each morning sets a positive tone for the day. Moving your body daily is also crucial. You don't need extreme workouts. Even a brief walk can significantly boost your mood and clarity. Physical activity stimulates endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and helps clear mental fog, making room for innovative thoughts. Consider a digital detox too. Our gadgets, with their constant notifications and temptations for endless scrolling, can sabotage our productivity. Set specific times to unplug each day, allowing you to focus deeply on tasks or connect more meaningfully with others. You'll find that you can accomplish much more when you control your digital engagement. Make reading a daily habit. Whether it's a novel, a biography, or a how-to guide, make time for reading. It sharpens your focus, expands your knowledge, and offers a fantastic way to unwind. If reading hasn't been your thing, start with just 10 minutes each day and gradually increase. Set daily goals. Each morning, jot down 1 to 3 critical tasks. This clarity will prevent overwhelm and ensure that you focus on what truly matters. Make these goals clear and actionable, such as complete the first draft of the report by noon, to provide direction and a satisfying checkbox at the end of the task. Nourish your body wisely. What you eat directly affects your cognitive function and energy levels. Opt for wholesome, nutritious foods and stay hydrated. Think of your body as a high-performance engine that needs the best fuel to run smoothly. Practice gratitude. Every evening, reflect on 3 things you're thankful for. This practice shifts your mindset from lacking to appreciating, enriching your outlook on life and motivating you to tackle challenges with a positive spirit. Prioritize ruthlessly. Not all tasks are equally important. Identify the most impactful task each day and tackle it first. This approach ensures that you make significant progress where it counts. Be intentional with your goals. Define them clearly to make them tangible and measurable, like setting a target of acquiring 3 new clients by month's end. This specificity will focus your efforts and make your successes more rewarding. Compress your timelines. Challenge yourself with tighter deadlines to heighten focus and efficiency. This urgency will encourage you to find faster, smarter ways to complete tasks. Finally, understand your purpose. Take time to contemplate why you do what you do. This understanding will guide your decisions and help you stay focused on goals that align with your values. Start with 1 or 2 of these habits and build from there. Improvement is about progression, not perfection. Which habit will you try first? Share your choice in the comments, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on living productively. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm excited to see how these habits transform your life.